I think I messed up my AC. Or did I? Here's why your Chevy Colorado's climate control might not be working, and what you can do about it. First, check your AC controls. Sometimes the fix is as simple as a button not set right, or the fan speed turned down too low. If that's all good, let's move on. Next, listen for strange noises when you turn on the AC. Clicking or rattling could mean a problem with the blower motor, or something blocking the vents. Still not working? It could be low refrigerant. Over time, your car might leak this cooling fluid, and when it's low, the AC just can't get cold. You'll need a mechanic to check and refill it safely. Another common issue is a broken AC compressor. The compressor pumps the refrigerant through the system, and if it fails, your AC won't cool at all. Finally, check your cabin air filter. If it's clogged, air can't flow properly and your AC can feel weak. Replacing the filter is cheap and easy. So, don't let a hot car ruin your day. Start with the simple fixes, and if it's still not working, get a professional to take a look. Stay cool out there.